So today I decided to make homemade pizza. I started with all of my items from Aldi. Pizza dough. This stone set was purchased from Aldi a few years ago. I start with shredding. My cheese. I used 2 boxes of the mozzarella cheese. I also have some tomato basil sauce and pepperoni. Actually, some hot pepperoni that you may use for charcuterie, but that is the cheese, all shredded. I pre-baked my dough, and I'm just putting some garlic butter around the edges before I actually use my sauce. So in the sauce, I added some pasta seasoning, kind of like a Italian season blend in there, and I also added some pesto as well. And then I believe off camera I did add some. No, I did add some honey for a little sweetness. I spread that all over my dough. Then I put the cheese on. And then I started placing the pepperoni. And then I like red onion, so I put red onion. And the cheese, the pepperoni pack had some mozzarella cheese in there as well. So with some spices in it. So I sprinkled that on there. I sprinkled some more cheese. Made me a little side salad with some romaine lettuce and onion and French dressing. I baked that for about 30 minutes on 400, and this is the finished product. Really good. The dough is around $2. Not expensive at all.
So I would definitely make this again.